Welcome back. Mining dependent people in Mormugao have demanded monthly allowance to the mining affected people. They handed over a memorandum to the Power Minister Milind Naik on Tuesday. They claim that they have no income and hence their livelihood has been affected.
Crew of barges, foremen, operator of sampling workers in Mormugao met their MLA Milind Naik to put forth their grievances. They claim to be jobless. They have asked the authorities to give them monthly allowance and save their lives.
म्हटलं त्यांच्यानं कोणी किती केला ते आमका भोगचे पडले पण आम्ही आमची बायल भुरगे सगळे उपाशी आला आमका आता 7 महिने झाले आम्ही कोण कामाक ना किती करपाचें तोंड बोलाला आपण तुमका 2 दिसांनी सीएमाकडे व्हरता आणि त्याच्याकडे तुमचे किती हे आते आपण थंय मांडता तुम्ही तेका 2-4 शब्द सांगा किती ते तुमचे.
Milind Naik assured the people that he would take up the matter with the CM.
मायनीक लागून इफेक्ट जाल्ले सगळे लोक एक मेमोरेंडम घेऊन दिला आणि तांकां सांगला की डिपार्टमेंटाचो मिनिस्टर आणि चीफ मिनिस्टर यांचे कडेन तुमकां अपॉइंटमेंट घेवन दिवपाचें आनी तेजे कडेन डिस्कस केले शिवाय हो इशू सॉल्व जावपाचो ना. सरकाराक लागून गोवा सरकाराक लागून मायन बंद जाला अशें कांय न्ही. सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या डायरेक्शनाचेर मायन सद्या बंद जाल्या उपरांत आमी गोवा सरकार म्हणून फूल लिगल मायनीक सपोर्ट आमचो आहा. लिगल मायनीक कांय दिवं जावचें ना पण ते परत चालू जावपाक कितलो वेळ येतलो तें हांव सांगूंक शकना कोर्टा कडेन. इलिगल मायनीचे अगेन्स्ट जे मुवमेंट चालू जाले ताका लागून मायन बंद जाल्या सुप्रीम कोर्टान बंद केला. आमच्या लोकांक इफेक्ट जालो ताचें म्हाकाय दूख आहा. आमचे शेजारी आमचे भाव खूब जाण त्रासान आहा हेका लागून आनी तेजेर कितें तरी बेगीन सोल्युशन येवंक जाय. ह्या संदर्भान हेंचे ग्रीवन्सीस सीएमा कडेन व्हरपाचें काम म्हाजें ह्या विदीन एक 2-3 दिसान हांव तांकां चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन मेळयता अशें म्हणटा हांव.
A reporter Surendra Madkekar for Prudent.
And now news from sports. Goa find themselves way down the table after 4 matches in Ranji Trophy Group C. Goa had promised a good season with Dora Ganesh back in as the coach and captain Shadab Jakati fully fit to lead the attack, but the team has failed to clinch victory in their 4 outings. Goa placed 7th in the 9-team group. Only top 2 teams move into the knockout round of the national championship. Goa will have to play out of their skins to beat Services in the next match, which begins on Saturday at Porvorim. After missing a great chance to win the opening match of the season at Porvorim against the visiting Jammu and Kashmir side, Goa have failed to assert themselves in their away games. Shadab Jakati's boys took on Jharkhand in Jamshedpur in the second match but failed to impress as they had to face a follow-on. In the end, it was just 1 point from the drawn game. Manvinder Bisla and Ravikant Shukla came up with fighting half-centuries to avoid defeat. Kerala was the next destination for Goa. The visitors' batting order clicked with opener Sagun Kamath and lower-order bat Rohit Asnodkar scoring fine centuries. Bisla and Shukla also hit half-centuries. However, the bowlers failed to bowl out Kerala twice and the hosts held out for a draw. Goa had to be content with 3 points. An outright victory here would have been a big boost. In their 4th match, Goa took on group leaders Andhra Pradesh in Visakhapatnam. The hosts battled first to put on 393 runs on the board. Goan medium pacer Saurabh Bandekar took 5 wickets in the first innings and Harshad Gadekar had 4 scalps to his name. Goa could respond with 328 runs in reply, mainly due to the century by informed Shukla. After conceding the lead, the only result was 1 point for Goa from the drawn encounter. While the Goan batting lineup has looked dependable on most occasions, the bowling attack does not seem to be well balanced. Moreover, coach Dora Ganesh's team seems to have missed a trick or two in strategic planning. Nevertheless, with 4 matches still to be played, Goa can pull up their socks and aim for better performances, starting from the home match against Services, who are now second in the table. Bureau Report, Prudent. Goan judokas are gearing up for forthcoming Senior National Championship to be held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. The championships will be held from December 25th to 29th. The Goan team will undergo an intensive camp under senior coach R. Shintre before leaving for the tournament. The team, consisting of 7 men and 6 women, was selected recently at Pere Sports Complex through a trial.
ओपन सिलेक्शन सिनियर कॅटेगरींतले प्लेयरांचे सिलेक्शन जाल्ले आसात. तेतून 7 आनी 13 स्टुडंट आमचे प्लेयर्स पार्टिसिपेट जाता. भुवनेश्वर ओरिसा म्हणटात थंय. आनी तेतून बरीच वर्सां खेळलेले आमचे प्लेयर्स आसात जे ह्या आदी नॅशनलाक तेंच्यांनी जुनियर लेवलाक मेडल्स काडलेले आसा. असे काही प्लेयर्स शिवकरण केवत म्हणात, नागेश हुगर, त्या शिवाय विनायक देसाय आनी गर्ल्सा भितर स्नुषा गांवस एक आसा. अशी काही प्लेयरां जे आहा तेंचे कडसून आमकां बरेच होप्स आहात.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGo or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.